everyone, and welcome to the Safe Place channel. Hit that follow button and join the Safe Place family.
Let's start with an example. Follow the example and solve the division problems. At the top, you can see the divisor. In this case, it is 2. On the left side, inside the boxes, you see the number to be divided by 2. If there is a number on the right side, that is the answer. For example, 20 divided by 2 equals 10, 16 divided by 2 equals 8, and so on. You have 45 seconds to solve all the problems. Divide by 8. The solutions are 72 divided by 8 equals 9, 32 divided by 8 equals 4, 16 divided by 8 equals 2, 40 divided by 8 equals 5, and 48 divided by 8 equals 6. Divide by 7. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. The solutions are 49 divided by 7 equals 7, 21 divided by 7 equals 3, 7 divided by 7 equals 1, 56 divided by 7 equals 8, and 70 divided by 7 equals 10. Divide by 9. The solutions are 81 divided by 9 equals 9, 45 divided by 9 equals 5, 18 divided by 9 equals 2, 63 divided by 9 equals 7, and 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Good job and keep learning. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. See you next time, and don't forget to watch our other videos.